Good morning, everybody. It's time for another shave. And for today's shave, I'm gonna be using Never Alone 4. It's the Never Alone week, so makes sense to use the Never Alone 4. The Never Alone 5 is coming out on Saturday at 11 a.m. Eastern Time, I believe. I'm probably gonna be grabbing it. I'm gonna try to grab the razor. It depends on how it looks, but I'm almost certain I'm gonna grab the razor. Oh my god! You know how I do it. Obviously, the matching splash, and for the razor, since yesterday I used the Amakuni, I want to try the Shield to see how it compares. I'm almost certain that it's gonna be more aggressive and smoother. Because I enjoy. I had good shave with it, but I know it's nothing like the Amakuni. But I'm almost certain it's more aggressive, no, more efficient. And for the brush, this beauty. This is my first TanZ brush, which I call YetiZ, because look at those colors. It's just beautiful pour. No coin, just his Ryan signature. Just a beautiful pour. Obviously, my friend Lather Yeti loves it. It looks great. It's a beautiful pour. I always wanted a TanZ, and I finally got one. So, hope everybody's doing well. I dry loaded because since I'm gonna be using my YetiZ, I decided let's go for face lather since that's what Lather Yeti loves the most. Also, I haven't face lather with a Mühle. This brush has a Mühle STF plus plus. So I wanted to check. And now is what today is Thursday morning. About to go to work. There's not much for today, only 2 loads again, very close by. And I'm just hoping that something comes up that I can make more hours. But it's looking like it's gonna be a 40-hour week, which is not bad. It's better than nothing, but obviously it's not ideal when you're used to working. I used to work 50, 60 hours a week. You get used to those paychecks. So you can keep buying more stuff. This one. I love the shape. This shape, I just freaking love it. It's just so comfortable for me. This soap was done on the vegan base. I believe it's the VR2 base. It's by Ariana Evans. So it's very, very slick. You can't go wrong with Ariana Evans. Also, regarding the new microphone, I was very pleased with the results yesterday. The feedback on the Amakuni was super crunchy. I love it. Even applying the lather and the scrub sounded so good. Now today I'm testing it. It's mounted near the other one that I use, and it has a noise canceling option on. So let's see how that one sounds. Man, that lather is looking thick. It's looking thick. So it's gonna be an easy day. Although my job per se is very easy. It's very easy for a local truck driver. Most of the time it's just dropping hooks. or drop and swaps on warehouse docks. So it's an easy job. That's the reason that I stay in. I've been doing that account for almost 5 years. Almost 5 years with two different trucking companies. Did it for 2.5 years with actually 3 years. Did it 3 years, 3.5 years with one company, and when I got laid off because the company was bought out, they called me. The new company that took over the account, they called me since I already knew how to run the routes. Look at that! Look at that! He's already looking so good. Chris, this is for you, Chris. Hope you are enjoying your time on New York with your father or your parents. You need to get your package ready for when you come back. Look at that lather. My God. Looking sexy. Very tiny. Creamy, dense lather. This is what I refer to when I cannot get my bowl lathers looking like that. I wish I could. There must be a way. I just haven't found it. 7 minutes, not bad. Beautiful. Gonna leave it like that. This just looks so great already. Looks so good. Tasted the soap. See how the shield does. Beautiful. So far, it's not as smooth, but actually, the aggressiveness is not that much different. Look at this. Just I have maybe like 24 hours of growth or close to it. Not much. Yeah, I don't even have to check for sleekness. It's Ariana Evans, with how good that leather looks, you know that there's sleekness over there, all over it. So good. This is a lime lavender scent. It's a really nice scent. I want to add more water. Such a good scent. Now, what I noticed is that it's not as balanced, as well balanced as the Yamakuni. It may look way better because I am one of those people that I am not a big fan of how the Tatara razors look. But after using the Yamakuni, I still say that. But they work. They do a great job. The handle is not slippery. Looking forward for that feedback of the microphone. But yeah, so far, yeah, it's a very nice shade so far. Still, it's also way lighter than the Yamakuni since it's so thin. But this handle is, yeah, it's a little bit slippery with soapy hands. But it's doing way better than I expected. Way better. Way better. I had a different image from the shield. I thought that it was gonna be way more aggressive. Look how thick that lather is. So good. So far, so good. It's, it's not as smooth going across the neck as the Yamakuni, but not bad. I had a different expectation from the shoe because I don't really use them. I prefer double edge even compared to the Yamakuni. Yeah, but the Yamakunis feel so mild and smooth that for me it's way more enjoyable than the other ones that I have. So far the chili is doing great. Let me add more water because it's looking thick. Let's do a Geo Flatboy figure eight. Very nice. But I've been using it with soapy hands. It's slippery, but it hasn't fall off. And I'm passing it the wrong way. I would say the shield is still pretty much the best option for the price. Just a little bit more play feel than the Makuni, and not as smooth, but still, it's good. It's good. It's a good razor. It's a good razor. Let's see if I get the mustache. Efficiency wise, I would say they are about the same because I still had pickups with the Amakuni, and I believe I did more buffing with the shield. But there, I would say they are about the same. It still was a great shape actually. Looks a little bit red, but there's no irritation that I feel of now. It's really hard for me to feel irritation. I beat on my face so many times with the shave that I think I kill all my nerves on my face. But yeah, no nicks that I see. It was another great shave. You tell me. You tell me. To me, it's a great shave. Now let's see what the splash has to say. I love lime. Lime, lemon, I don't know. To me, they are almost the same though. Yeah. Not much of a burn, really. That balance of lime and lavender is so good. Very good. Very calming and refreshing at the same time. Man, that was a great shave. Freaking love it. Another shout out to the YetiZ. Ryan, you did a beautiful pour, as always. The STF actually, it performed well. It performed well. It's a pretty good knot. Is it my favorite? No. But it's a good knot. It's a knot that if I had it loose, I would use it. Oh, sorry. From time to time. But it was good. So that's gonna be it for today. Thank you for watching as always. And I guess I'll see you on the next shape. Have a great day.